Join us as we embark on a quest to uncover the swiftest and most potent wood-cutting chainsaws currently on the market. I'm confident that this video will meet your expectations. Chainsaws with powerful cutting capabilities have become indispensable tools in forestry, helping to cut trees and process wood effectively for many different industries. The development of chainsaws incorporates advanced features such as ergonomic design and safety mechanisms, ensuring not only productivity but also the health of the operator. This is a fir tree. It is difficult to take it down if you use an axe to cut it. The ash tree was damaged by insects and died, so he had to cut it before it was blown over by the wind. This is a new tree cutting technique and it is useful. The Echo 800P chainsaw is specifically manufactured to cut large and thick woods like this. Foresters depend on chainsaws for precise cutting and minimal environmental impact. The chainsaw is equipped with an anti-vibration feature that prioritizes user comfort, reduces operator fatigue during prolonged use, and improves overall efficiency. To be able to climb such a high tree, he certainly has a very high level of confidence and technique. This machine has an automatic chain lubrication system while cutting that improves durability and performance, reduces maintenance needs, and ensures stable cutting performance. It takes 2 people to split this block of wood into pieces quickly. Chainsaws are very important in efforts to prevent forest fires. Dry trees like these can easily create a large fire if not removed. In the wood cutting industry, this cutting technique is the most used. It ensures that the tree will fall according to your wishes. Before using, they always have tests like this to check the machine. The way he holds the saw shows how much expertise he has in cutting large blocks of wood. This is really a good saw. It only takes about 5 seconds to cut that log. It looks like that, but the length of this saw blade is nearly 2 meters. On the left is Steel MS-084 and on the right is HQ3120XP. Let's see which machine is faster. Chainsaws have transformed the logging industry, streamlining the logging process and contributing greatly to the efficient supply of wood for construction and manufacturing. Please leave a comment to let us know which machine you like best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to update notifications about the latest videos. See you in the next video.